Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your exact Z370 board model and current BIOS version, so you download the correct file. Once done, format a USB drive to FAT32 and copy the BIOS file plus any vendor flash utility. Make sure it's the only BIOS file on the stick. You should also export or note your BIOS settings and back up critical data so you can restore preferences if needed. You now reboot and enter the BIOS or vendor flash menu immediately. On many Z370 boards, this is EZ Flash or Q Flash. Once inside, navigate to the flash utility, select the BIOS file on your USB, and confirm the file name and checksum when prompted to ensure integrity. Start the flash and remember, do not interrupt power or reboot until the utility reports success, because an incomplete flash. After the flash completes, you should clear CMOS or load optimized defaults to ensure new microcode initializes correctly. Then reapply your saved settings one at a time to avoid conflicts. Once booted, update chipset and device drivers to match the new BIOS. If the board fails to boot, try the vendor's BIOS recovery. Rename BIOS file per instructions, retry USB flash, or use dual UEFI recovery jumper. This quick step often restores a failed update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.